Hi everyone, today I am going to explain on heap sort algorithm. Basically, heap sort is a binary tree where each parent node certain some properties. So if the parent node is always smaller than its children, it is a minimum heap. If the parent node is always larger than its children, it is a maximum heap. So actually, heap sort make use of heapify method, which rearrange the elements of the array to satisfy the above two properties, and also to sorted order list will help the heapify method. Now let us understand heap sort algorithm and as well as heapify algorithm. So heap sort algorithm, first initially we have to understand the maximum heap, and until and unless to get all the elements we have to arrange until the end of the list. Then apply the heapify method. So heapify algorithm, here we have to always compare with the parent node, either left child node or right child node. If condition is satisfied, then swap with the parent nodes. Let us apply example based on the concept of heap sort. Here based on the given elements, so first element should be treated as a root node. Like that we have to concept as a binary tree concept. Now we have to apply the heapify algorithm. Heapify algorithm basically we have to apply the greater than or not. If it is greater than, we have to swap the element. So for example here we have to 23 and 14. 23 is greater than the 14. So like that we have to swap the element. The process is repeat until to get all the elements as a root node, maximum element as a root node. So like this we have to construct maximum heap. Later we are going to sort it out by using the heapify method. So heapify method remove the root node, which is the largest element from the root, and replace with the next immediate node as a root node. So like here 23 we are going to swap out from the root, and next immediate element is 18, then that should be make it as a root node. Like this process is repeat to get all sorted element like this. Then we are going to apply analysis. Here time complexity, space complexity, while getting the maximum heap, each and every time the number of elements we are going to swap out, and based on the heapify operation we are going to swap out and we have to remove the elements from the heap. So big O of log n times, and overall heap sort algorithm is to take the time big O of n log n. And space complexity, each and every element we are going to swap out and sort it out, and it takes 1, big O of 1. Thank you for watching.